Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for food stamps in New Jersey. So all you have to do is head over to fns.usda.gov, and from here just click on programs, then click on SNAP. From here just scroll down and click on how to apply. And from here you're just going to need to locate your local SNAP office. And from here, we're just going to select New Jersey. And from here, you can see options that you can choose on how you want to take your application. You have online application here and just click on this link. And this will redirect you to MyNJHelps page. And from here, you're going to need to create an account for you to be able to start your online application. Or you can also fill out the application form. And to do that, just select from these languages of the application form, then click on it. And from here, all you have to do is answer or fill out this form. Then once done, you can proceed by submitting this to your local SNAP office. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!